Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to move files from MacBook to your external drive, USB or something like that. This tutorial will be very quick and simple, so make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now, if you have connected your USB or hard drive or external disk, then you should see it here to pop up on desktop. If you don't see it, then you want to go ahead, click on Finder. After that, at the top, you will see Finder. You want to go ahead and click on it and click on Settings. Now, once you are here, you want to be on the sidebar option. Scroll down until you will see External Disks, and you want to toggle it on and go to general and again click on external disks also. And after that, your external drive should pop up just like so. As you can see, here is mine. Now, once you have done that and you want to move files to your disk, you want to open it up 2 times, click on it 2 times. Now you will see all of your information, all of your files here. If you want to move something from Mac, you'll find your file, drag it here, and it should go ahead and upload it, and that's pretty much it. That's how you upload your files to external disk. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.